How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your OBS choppy video. So the first thing that you'll want to do is to actually head over to the settings of your OBS. And from here, of course, you want to click on video. Now, if you want a crisp video, you want to make sure that you are recording on 1080p and above. So recording below that will actually make your videos a lot choppier. So make sure that you have used 1920 x 1080. Now for the downscale filter, you want to just select resolutions match, no downscaling required, and for FPS, this is completely up to you. Now for output, you have recording option right here. Make sure that you set it to high quality medium file size. For the video encoder, make sure that you have chosen the right video output depending on the graphics card that you are using. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA, so my encoder is going to be NVENC. Now, also inside this page, you have the recording or you have the streaming option. So in here, you want to make sure that your bitrate is high. So in our case, let's go ahead and set this somewhere between 7,000. For audio bitrate, we have the ability to edit this out. Same thing with the video encoder preset. Now I cannot edit this as of the moment because of course I'm recording the video, but generally that's all you have to do in order to make your videos a lot smoother. Now if you even want to go a little bit further, you could select the undistinguishable video quality, which will give you a bigger file size, but it's going to be a lot cleaner. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.